Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial video on Chroma 2238 video pattern generator. My name is James, I'm the sales representative at Chroma. In previous video, we had to talk about the timing settings, and today it's time to walk you through the pattern settings. Let's find out more about it. So the way to get started will be the same as the timing function. You can get it under the pattern key, or the pattern icon on the top of screen here. There are three parts in the pattern function. There are pattern list, output control, and pattern preview. And on the pattern preview area here, you can use your fingers to zoom in and out the pattern and move the pattern to check in detail. We have plenty of default patterns available like color bar, grayscale, ramp, and general monoscope. It also supports high-definition monoscope patterns, which is a composite test screen design with 4K resolution to test the aspect ratio, overscan, color bar, grayscale, and resolution simultaneously. Moreover, it can execute the HDCP function and analyze the EDID contents on TV or monitor. Apart from the typical patterns, this 2238 also includes other distinctive building patterns, like dynamic patterns, which can evaluate the residual image of the TV monitor picture, audio patterns, which use flip patterns along with the audio to test frequency, information patterns that show different information such as EDID, HDCP, parameters, system info, CEC, ARC, etc. Under 3D patterns, there are three types of 3D images. The real 3D images, the pattern for the left and right eye, and composite. The real 3D images evaluate the expression of the 3D depth of field, the render effect of 3D layer and detail. Left and right eye and composite patterns confirm whether the 3D mode is activated on TV correctly. These HDR patterns allow you to confirm if the HDR function on the monitor is working properly. Please note that the HDR patterns are valid only when HDR function is enabled. There are still many patterns haven't been introduced. For a complete default patterns list, please check our user menu on the chapter Appendix B. So with the Chroma 2238 video pattern generator, it has numerous built-in patterns for different test functions. You can customize your own patterns by the software VPG Master, which we will introduce in the VPG Master tutorial videos. Now you have a preliminary understanding of the pattern function. I hope you find this tutorial video useful. And there's a whole bunch of other cool stuff you can do with this 2238 video pattern generator. To know more, feel free to contact us or watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.